Good morning, we're going to Akaroa today. Our mate Chris, who used to live with at Wellington, he now lives in Christchurch, so he's told us about this place and check it out. Check it out! Don't I look lovely? This is Chris. Hi Chris.
Hi Perry. Hi Wood.
Germans. So entertaining. So anyway, we're going to go down there and go check it out. It looks lovely from here though. Maybe go for a walk. Let's sit one more time. Starting the day off with a nice breakfast. Karen's that happy she's taking a photo. So we're at the start of the track that we're going to do, and it's the wood hills track. And here's our crew: Vicky, Chris, Kaz, again. So we're going to go exploring. Let's see what we can see. It's a shame the clouds come in. That's really nice rocky mountains over there. But this view's nice. Hello. She's happy about walking up the hill again.
So this is Perry filming himself.
Yeah, I got someone else filming me filming. Karen hates climbing up hills, man. And what do you do in New Zealand? You hike. Hey, some of the cloud cleared off. I'm trying to make a movie. So we're going to carry on walking down the mountain now. It's lovely up here, wasn't it, Karen? Yeah, great. She says that. Just a bit shame it's a bit cloudy, but it's really nice. So anyway, I just said anyway. We're going to go down now. And action. Bit disappointing.
Not over yet.
This isn't over yet. Ah, what a letdown. Oh, hello. Our mates brought us to a waterfall. Someone forgot to put the water on. Well done, Chris. Well done. Still pretty nice though. Is it? Oh, there's a rainbow. Can you see it? Look at the way the clouds are rolling down the hills. That is really, really nice. So me and Chris are being silly buggers on the edge of cliff edges. Let's take a look down. Yeah, not too far. Whoa! Awesome. This is really ace, man. We're right up in the top of the mountains and we keep going in and out of clouds. We've just entered the cloud zone. Dun, dun, dun.
won't lose the fucking GoPro.
Going down to 0 visibility now. This is Travel Monkeys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Oh my god, that was hurting my leg so bad.
There's spit on the camera.
Spit in my mouth. Yeah. Okay, ready? This is. So we go. Okay. No, just go like that. Just start, and then I'll start mouthing it. Go. This is Travel Monkeys. Thanks for watching. Ready? And this is Travel Monkeys. Thanks for watching. It's a shame the clouds come in. That's really nice rocky mountains over there. But this view's nice. Hello. He's happy about walking up the hill again.
So this is Perry filming himself.
Yeah, I got someone else filming me filming. Karen hates climbing up hills, man.